All right, I want to start this up, and I got these, cheaper battery terminals, but and these are kind of old too. So I got them from Northern Tool. I think it's around 14 bucks, but it broke on me, so I'm gonna go ahead and replace it. Okay, let's see what we got here. Wrong way. Okay. Yeah, bad boy. Yeah, came off on me. Okay. Come over here and get this one. Okay, use the old Skil brushless impact driver. Okay. And put that right over there. Don't want them to fall. So, also, we got quite a bit of rust on there. You can see that, so we're going to clean that off. It could have had something to do with it too. Dang. Okay. And do this. We got okay. Might put some dielectrical grease on there too. Okay. All right. So getting that. Okay. I think that's 11. Let's see where are we at this gear wrench set here. I think it's 11. Yep, it's 11. Okay. So go ahead and is that getting it? Get it? Okay. You getting it? Okay. What I do, I'm gonna save them screws and stuff. I save those. I save that stuff and throw the rest away. Okay. This stuff kind of come in handy for something. So never throw away your extra bolts, nuts, and screws. I ain't bring out my little hammer. Let me see how these are looking. Yeah, those look okay. 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 I gotta run and get my little hammer. So I'll be back. I'll set that right there. And I'll be back. Okay. I'll get these two here. That's how I'm gonna do it. Like this. Is that getting it? Okay. Like that. Don't drop it. If I do drop it, I got two more up here. We're gonna kind of do it like that. And getting it. Okay. We get that? Okay. Make sure we get that. Still might have to charge the battery, but we have some fresh cables on here. Okay, and then we got to do this one here. Okay. minute. Okay, so they're both on there. Okay, don't have a touch. Old brushless impact driver. So you don't see this kind of stuff from the guys that just do tool reviews. You don't see this kind of stuff. See, just sit it to the side for right now. And the other one there. So I save what I can from these. Well, I just ouch. I gotta replace my battery cable, man. It's my neighbor Larry. He's making a little video, so I'll just do that later. Oh yeah, I got plenty of spares. So yeah, that one. See how it broke in half? It was in bad shape too. So go ahead and replace it. This one here is rusty, so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and
replace them both.
Yeah, replace them both of them. I got my replacements right here. I got one on the car already. That one right there. So that's one of the things. Go ahead and replace it. And get it on video. Take a quick little video of it. That to the side, and I'll take a few. Try to get it on there. That's why it's good to buy those. Did I replace yours a couple of times too?
I think so. You did something to that mug.
I ain't took them out all the way. And they're not the best of quality ends, but it's better than no end.
Yeah, goddamn right. I just seen Juro.
Oh yeah.
He had an attitude.
Oh, well, he owe you money. Why? Why would he have attitude when you owe him money? I mean, he owe you money, so why would he have attitude? That's what neighbors are for. Get that on there. It's gonna be. I'll put that one on first. You can see that. It's kind of twisted a little bit. And get him in there. Okay. And then put him in there. Okay, so they're both in there. Getting that? Okay. Okay. And now it needs to be tightened. I got this one. Where you at? Okay, that's tight. Okay, that's tight. Okay. Hold off on that. Okay, so I got this little this adapter here. You see that? Put it in there. Okay. On here. Okay. Hammer, smack it down. Sideways. Okay. Where my keys at? The keys in the car. Okay. Put him on there. Might be opened up a little bit. Then gonna hit the road. Okay, I see you a little bit.
For 30 more minutes.
Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. I might have to put a charge on the battery too. I gotta see. Okay. I think I got the keys still in the ignition. Let's see if it works. Well, it should work. Move that out of the way. That. Okay. Let's see. Okay. My hood light's on, so that's what it was. The battery terminals went bad on me. Okay. Check that. Do the simple stuff first. Check the battery terminals. Check the cables. Make sure they good. I got this from Northern Tool some years ago. I think I'm gonna send a link. I think right now you can get I think it's 7 or 8 of these, $15. So there you go. Battery terminal replacement, 99 F150.